Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you have furry friends, you know that they can really shed a ton of hair, and I am excited to be able to use this awesome pet vac. This is from Bawetech, and it really has way more than I need for my cats, but it's such a great help in helping when you have pets that shed constantly. The suction on the vac is really good, and it does have some noise, so with the type of cats that I have, we find that they are very skittish around it. But using it without the power on has been really effective in brushing the cats, getting them groomed better, and really taking off a lot of the hair that they shed. We find that when you have friends over that have allergies, it's so much easier for them to come over if your cats really are combed often. So this set really does everything that you need to be able to take away some of that pet hair. If you're looking for something that is really going to help you be able to do some home maintenance when it comes to your pets, this system is very clean, it's compact, it really has a good amount of suction, and I really like that it has an input and an output on the vacuum, so you can dispose of the hair when you're done. It also has all of the tools and accessories that fit in so easily to all of the parts. So you really will have everything that you need to be able to take care of your furry friends at home. But that's just my point of view.